Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can leverage the new SharePoint Start Page experience. But if you are new to the channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I am uploading a new video. Okay, so let's get started. To go to the SharePoint Start Page, we need to click on this waffle icon and then click on this SharePoint icon. So now, as you can see, we are presented with the new SharePoint Start Page experience, where in the left side, we see our recent sites which we have created, right? If we have make one of the site or some sites as favorites, we can see them here as a following sites. As I have made this volunteer center as a favorite one, so I'm seeing it in here. I can create new site from here or create new post page from here itself. And here is the list of all the sites which I generally use. Okay, and if I want to see all of them, I can click on this. The new experience which I am talking about in this video is here. So I have to click on this go to pages, which is still in preview, as you can see from this tag in here. What it says is create, share, and track all your pages from one single place. So let me click in this go to pages button. And as you can see, this is a new page or new experience is available to us. Let me just get you a walkthrough what is available onto the page. So on the top, we have this nicely looking banner, which is asking what you want to do today or what you want to create today. We can create new site or we can create a page, which is a blank page. So the reason Microsoft have come up with this create blank page section in here is in ideal situation, what we have to do is we have to create or select a site first, and then we can create a page into it where Microsoft is seeing some friction, like people are not doing it due to that reason. So they have simplified that thing by first creating a blank page, and then we can go and add it to any of the site. I'm going to show that in a moment, right? In the bottom part, we have recent pages section where we have three filters, all pages. If some pages are in draft mode, which are being created by me, and some of the published pages, those are already being published from my side. So in this section, we can see all the draft pages and published pages from any of the site where I am having an access to or I have created them. For example, this home communication site has one page called as home, which is being published yesterday. Okay, something like that. So let me go and click on this create blank page. So when I click on the create blank page, right, it is going to present us one blank page. I can provide any name to this, pasting start page, something like that. And if I want to add some image or something, I can simply go and select, let's say this one, right? And it is going to be available in here. Okay, this is my uh, header web part, right? As we discussed in the last video, a banner web part, we can have multiple banner web parts. That's what a new change has been introduced by SharePoint. Okay, and let's say I go and add some data in here. I'm simply adding lorem ipsum in this case, right? And let's say I want to go and customize this page how I want. Okay, and the next thing is I'm just saving it as draft. So now my page is saved, and when I go into the SharePoint, the page again, I am able to see that in here. Remember, I haven't refreshed the page, the browser, right? So still it is available, and I just save it as a draft. So the status is draft, right? So there are two statuses, one is draft and another one is published. I can simply filter it from here. I just created that, so it's saying just now, okay, and another one is published. So in this way, when I go and click on the start page, as you can see, this particular page is not published yet, and it is available in my personal OneDrive. That is a OneDrive for business. So it is not available to anyone, and it is in the draft form for draft status for me. So in that case, it is not available to anyone. But when I click on this publish button in this drop down, I have two options. One is publish page. I can publish this page, so it is converted from the draft mode to the publish mode, and it is still private. So if I share it to someone, if I share this page to someone as an email, as a page, copy a page link, or I can share this in an email as an email as well, right? By copying a link and all that stuff. So that person can go and edit this page as well, something like a co-authoring type of thing, right? But still it is not available to everyone until I publish it. The second thing is I can publish it to site. So when I click on publish to site, whatever site I'm having an access, right? As a member, I can add the pages into that. I'm having those sites in here, right? And let me select one of the test sites, this Dev 25, that's Dev Food Chain. This is my test site. So when I go and select this and click on publish, so what will happen is this testing start page is going to be added into that particular site. So let me click publish. So now the page is being published. Okay. So now it is available in this Dev Food Chain site, that is Dev 25, and it is available. Pretty simple, right? And the other thing is the main change the Microsoft has thought about this providing start page and this recent pages section is now all of my pages which I have created, even if that is in the draft mode, even that is a published one, I can simply get them here. So it is coming from any site. Let's say this is coming from the Dev 25, this is one of another site, this is another site, whatever pages I have created, I have them handy in one place. That is a one-stop shop, right? And let's say I want to share it with someone, I can do it right from here. Or if I want to delete this page from this site, I can delete it, right? And when I delete this site, it is going to be available in the recycle bin. So this page is already been published into one of the site, and that's why it's going to be available in the recycle bin. So when I delete this, the page is deleted. I am getting the message and also a link to the recycle bin. So when I click on this recycle bin, it is going to land me onto the that particular site collections recycle bin, and I can see the page here. Okay, so I think this is very good initiative by Microsoft to have all the pages on one page, which I have created, I have drafted, I have published, and everything else. I can manage them from here. So it helps in a way so that I don't have to go in each of the sites to find any of the pages. I can see them all at one place, right? And the other thing is the create new site. It is, I guess, the same behavior we have for the create new site. So I'm not going to talk about that. We already have a video, separate video onto that part, right? And the another section is choose a page template to kickstart your next idea. So for example, if I want to create a new page, which is a company news, the same thing will happen, right? But it is providing me this template. It is also available into my OneDrive business, right? The same process. When I go and publish to site, it is going to be available to one of my sites which I am selected, and it's also going to be available into this SharePoint Start Page as well. So let me just go in here and let me check. Let me just go and refresh this. We have this basic newsletter which is published just now, and it's available into the Dev 25, right? So let me just go and delete this one as well, and it's available in the recycle bin. Okay, so I think this is very cool feature which is being introduced by Microsoft, and they are more evolving into each of the sections for each of the sites, right? The SharePoint is being evolving very nicely. So let me know what you thought about this new update into the SharePoint Online start page in the comment section, and see you in the next one. Thank you so much.